Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest in grooming tech so you can shop smarter. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what we're calling the best in the fading culture clipper world, the Fadify 2.0 cordless hair clippers. Let's jump right in. First impressions? This thing is built for power. Under the hood, the Fadify 2.0 runs on a 7000 RPM heavy-duty motor. That means whether you've got thick, coarse, or fine hair, this clipper isn't going to hesitate. No pulling, no snagging, just clean, efficient cutting. And with 4 speed settings from 5500 all the way up to 7000 RPM, you've got flexibility for precision work or quick fades. Plus, the LCD screen right on the body shows which speed you're on and how much battery you've got left. That's a slick and functional touch. Speaking of precision, this clipper gets very specific. You've got a zero-gap trimmer field thanks to the adjustable fade lengths built right in. 0.4 mm, 0.7 mm, 1.0 mm, and 1.3 mm. Whether you're doing a skin fade or maintaining a beard line, this gives you pro-level control. And yes, they include 4 guide cones, 3 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, and 12 mm. So, whether it's a close trim or a bit more volume on top, you're covered. Now let's talk about the blades. Fadify 2.0 steps it up with 2 blade types, an inclined blade and a flat blade. These aren't your average steel blades either. They're a combination of high-carbon steel, static ceramic, and titanium plating. That gives them both long-lasting sharpness and reduced heat buildup. The idea here is to create layered styles with ease while maintaining precision. Oh, and they're detachable. That means cleaning and maintenance is a breeze. Battery life? Impressive. The built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery charges fully in about 3 hours and gives you up to 6 hours of cordless use. That's a full workday of grooming on a single charge. It comes with a charging stand and a USB cable, so whether you're home or traveling, powering up is easy and quick. And again, the LCD lets you know exactly how much battery is left so there are no surprises in the middle of a trim. Ergonomically, the Fadify 2.0 was clearly designed with comfort in mind. It fits snugly in your hand, is lightweight, and feels balanced. That matters a lot when you're doing detail work or cutting your own hair. Plus, its sleek black and silver body gives it a premium look that wouldn't be out of place in any barbershop. So, who is this for? Well, if you're someone who fades at home, or even a barber looking for a solid backup or travel tool, the Fadify 2.0 is definitely worth checking out. It makes a strong gift option too, especially with the modern design and premium packaging. Great for Father's Day, birthdays, or just treating yourself to an upgrade in your grooming gear. To wrap up, the Fadify 2.0 isn't just another cordless clipper. It's a high-performance, fade-friendly, travel-ready grooming tool that delivers on both style and substance. It's clearly earned its place in the fading culture and might just be the clipper that changes your grooming routine for good. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into top-rated products. See you in the next one.